The H Residence is the latest development by A.R.M Holding. The project is located at Al Safa 1, Dubai. Blue Pyramid has been awarded the external wall system contract for this project. Blue Pyramid installed steel and aluminium panels using L angles, nuts, and bolts to extend the wall and ceiling. Cladded Rockwool was installed to provide excellent insulation. Rockwool is known for its best insulation properties. Insulation boards were fixed to the building structure using plastic fasteners. To create a hard and smooth surface, we use gypsum panels on the steel structure. Our skilled team installed each panel with precision and perfection. Then rendered the gypsum surface with fiberglass mesh and base coat. We coated the rendered surface with primer and textured paint for the final finish. The facade is fitted with vertical louvers, which gives it its signature look while allowing residents to enjoy temperature-controlled shaded spaces. We are honored to have been a part of this project, and we are proud of the work our team has accomplished.